Hi there, I hope you are doing well. Today we will set up Typeform iFrame conversion tracking for Meta Pixel and conversion API. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you the Typeform which is working in my website as iFrame. So in my website I have embedded it in this page, and this is the Typeform which is working as iFrame. I can show you. So if I click right button here, I will see the reload frame or the frame source. If I click on frame source, I will see the actual frame source which is from.typeform.com, which means that it is a Typeform. And you can also see here power by Typeform. So it's a Typeform, and I just made a form just to show you. This is a demo form. Okay, this is not any actual form, and this is also my demo website. In this website, in this form, I will track the Meta Pixel, and in this part I will set up the Meta Pixel only, and on the second part I will make the conversion API. So I will make two part of this video. So let's get started. I also need Google Tag Manager to set up the tracking, and I will send the data to Meta Pixel. I will use this Meta Pixel, and this is the tag manager. I have already set up the listener code that will capture the type from submission. Then based on the data layer, I will send the data. And this tag manager is already working in this website. I can show you. This is the ID of the tag manager that is into with FK, and this is the FK. I can preview. It's loading. Okay, then connect. It is connecting. Okay, connected. Now I can see the form, and I can also see it here. Now let me fill up the form to check the data layer. Okay, now if I fill up using my information, the data layer should fire. Okay, nice. Then test, submit. Okay, now I am getting the type from submitted. It means the listener code is working. The data layer is pushing the data. Now if I check the data, I am getting the event, and the page type is from ID. I am also getting. Okay, based on this listener code and this custom event, I can set up the Meta Pixel. First of all, I need the tag of Meta Pixel. So I have to go to the tag, then new, then I need to search the Meta Pixel tag. So Meta Pixel, which is built with the Facebook Meta Pixel, sorry, Facebook Pixel. This is the tag template that I will use. Then add. Then I need the Meta Pixel ID to add on the Pixel tag. So I will get the ID here, or I can also copy it from here. Then we need to use it here, but we can also create a variable to use multiple time. Okay, now new, then plus. This is Meta Pixel ID. It will be a constant variable so that it can be always same. Yeah, value will be the Meta Pixel ID. Then page view, then trigger will be the initial all pages or all pages. I can use this one. Then I need some extra data to increase the event mesh quality. For example, the click ID and the browser ID, as well as we can use the external ID. But now I will just send the click ID and the browser ID. So click ID is FBC and browser ID is FBP. So I will use the FBP first, then FBC on the second. Then I need to create a first party cookie variable. So it is FBP, then underscore FBP. Okay, now save it. Then it will be FBC. FBC means the click ID, and same the first party variable, first party cookie, then FBC. Then save it. Now I also need to send the event ID, because when you set up the conversion API, we need to deduplicate it. So we will send also event ID, then it is event ID, and we need a template for event ID that built with the Stape.io unique event ID. Then add it, and we need to wait little bit to see it on the variable. I cannot see right now. Oh, right now I can see. So unique event ID, but I need to go here again. I think this one, unique event ID, and it is event ID. It will help the Meta Pixel and conversion API to deduplicate the data, and using this tag we will send the page view event. Okay, so this is the configuration tag, and I can write Meta Pixel config. Now save it. Okay, now we are sending the Meta Pixel page view. I can also preview to test. Okay, now if you go to test event, I will see the page view event here. It is loading. Okay, it is already sending page view. We should get, yeah, we are getting the page view, and we are also getting the event ID, and I can also check it from here. So we are sending Meta Pixel config, and it is getting the load time. So page view is sending perfectly, no problem here, and we can also see it on the test event. It is working. Now we also need to send the from submission, the type from submission based on this data layer that we already captured. We can test it again, then we can copy the event name from here. So we need to fix the number here. This is actual phone number, then this is demo email, then submit it. Now we can capture this event name, and we can fire the lead event based on this event. So at first we need to trigger, go to trigger, then new, custom event, then it is a lead event, that is type from submission, save it. Then just we need to go to tag again, then copy the configuration tag, then just change it. As we are not getting the custom data, for example email and phone number, so we don't need to send it. But if we could do it, maybe we could increase the event mesh quality, but we need to skip it right now because we are not getting. So Meta Pixel lead, then we need to change the event name, that is the lead, then change the trigger, rest of the thing will be same, then lead, and here FBC, FBP, then we also have event ID, perfect, all good, nice. Then save it. Now we can preview again and we can test the lead event as well as the page view event. Wait, here we should get both. We are getting the FBP. Now if I submit the form again, the detailer should fire, the Meta Pixel lead event should also fire here. Submit it. Okay, now we are getting page view, we are getting the lead event, and on the page view I am getting the FBP. We also get the FBC, but right now I'm not coming from meta ad, that's why I'm missing the FBP, but the lead event and the page view event is working perfectly. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.